Hello everybody. Muraho neza mwese. How are you today? Ese uyu munsi mumeze mute? Are you okay? Mumeze neza se? I hope so. Ibyo ndabyizeye. Are you happy? Murishimye? I hope so. Nabyo ndabyizeye. This is your English teacher, Jean de Dieu Uwingabire from Rwanda. Muri kumwe na mwarimu wanyu w'icyongereza Jean de Dieu Uwingabire guturuka mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I have come up with modal verbs. Uyu munsi mbazaniye izindi nshinga fatizo, izindi nshinga zifashishwa arizo bita modal verbs. I hope you are ready. So, let's get started. Nizera ko mubyiteguye, noneho rero mureke dutangire. What are modal verbs? Ese ubundi modal verbs ni iki? They are auxiliary verbs, nazo ni nshinga zifashishwa that provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. Zitanga igisobanuro cy'inyongera cyangwa se cyihariye kiziha inshinga zisanzwe mu nteruro. Those are izo akabari can gushobora, could gushobora, may gushobora, might gushobora, must kugomba, shall inzagihe, should kugira inama, ought to integeko cyangwa kugomba, will inzagihe, and would inziganyo. How do we use modals? Ni gute wakoresha inshinga zifashishwa? Example: Mary could play the piano. Mary abasha gukina piano. Mary yitwa subject, could ikaba modal, play ikaba verb. Subject ni ruhamwa, could ikaba inshinga yifashishwa, verb play ikaba ari inshinga isanzwe. They do not accept conjunction, ntago zemera gutondagurwa nkuko dutondagura izindi. They do not need other auxiliary verbs, ntago zifashishwa n'izindi. Ntago washyiraho verb to be zazindi twabonye, to do na to have. Nguvuge could do you could reka da. Form ziteye gute? There is no s in singular. Nitwongeraho s mu buke. There is no do or does in the question. Nidutangiza do cyangwa does iyo tubaza. There is no don't or doesn't in the negative. Ntabwo twongera dushyiraho don't cyangwa doesn't mu mpakanyi mu guhakana. Urugero, example: he can ski. Ashobora guserebeka kuri neige. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo he cans cyangwa ngo he can skis. Would you like to come with me? Ese urashaka ko tujyana? Ntabwo bavuga ngo do you would like to come with me? They can't be serious. Ntibabasha kuba abantu bari seriye. Sorry. They can't be serious. Ntibashobora kuba abantu bari seriye. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo they can't be serious. Form imiterere. Modal verbs do not have infinitives. Ntabwo izi modal verbs cyangwa zino nshinga zifashishwa zigira imbundo or ing forms cyangwa imiterere wongeraho i na na ga yo bita ing. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo to can cyangwa ngo canning. We don't say to can or canning. We don't say to must or musting. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo to must cyangwa musting. Modal verbs are followed by an infinitive without to. Modal verbs zikurikirwa n'inshinga itari mu mbundo, inshinga iri mu mbundo idafite to. Modal verbs are followed by an infinitive without to. Modal verbs zikurikirwa n'inshinga itariho to. She must study. Agomba kwiga. Bino bisobanuye ngo ni strong obligation, ni itegeko ndakuka. We should have gone we should have gone the other way. We should have gone the other way. Twari dukwiye kuba twanyuze indi nzira. Iyi ni recommendation, ni ubujyanama. She could play football in his youth. Yabashaga gukina umupira w'amaguru mu busore bwe. Iyi bayita ability in the past. Ibyo wabashije mu gihe cyahise cyangwa ibyo washoboraga. Form, imiterere. Modal verbs do not have all the tenses. Izi nshinga zifatizo za modals ntabwo zijya zigira ibihe byose. Modal verbs use other verbs to complete the tenses. Ahubwo zifashisha izindi nshinga kugira ngo bitange igihe runaka inshinga yakoreshejwemo. For example, can is completed with be able to. Can yuzurishwa ijambo be able to bisobanuye gushobora. Mbega ushaka kuvuga ngo nashoboye, aho kuvuga ngo can uyikoresha be able to muri past. Be muzi ko ihinduka was cyangwa were. Ubwo ushaka kuvuga ikintu washoboye wabashije uravuga uti I was able, ntabwo uvuga ngo I can't. Ngufite past muri can cyangwa gute. Past yayo yitindura nguki be able to. Must, kugomba, is completed with have to. Yushaka kuvuga mu gihe cyahise ko ibintu wagombaga kubikora ukoresha ijambo have to. Nkuko mubizi ubushize have twabonye ko ihinduka had. Rero iyo ugiye kuvuga ngo nagombaga uravuga ngo I had to. Urugero, examples. They can play the piano. Bashobora gukina piano. Ngiye kubivuga mu gihe kizaza. Mu gihe kizaza turavuga ngo they will be able to play the piano in the future. Mu gihe kizaza bazaba babasha gukina piano cyangwa bazabibasha. You must come early. Ugomba kuzinduka. Mu gihe cyahise turavuga wenda wagombaga kuzinduka. Byari itegeko uravuga ngo you had to come early yesterday. Ejo wagombaga kuzinduka. Iyo jambo you had to, iyo to ije inyuma ntabwo ivuga igikorwa, ahubwo ni igendana na have to, ivuga kimwe na must. None se reka tubaze, what do they express? Ubundi zisobanuye iki? They can have more than one meaning depending on the situations. Zishobora kugira igisobanuro kirenze kimwe tugendeye ku bibazo ku bihe bihari. Number 1, single concept model. Izi ngizi zita single concept model, they have one meaning. Ziba zifite igisobanuro kiba gisobanuye ikintu kimwe gusa. One meaning ni igisobanuro kimwe gusa, bavuga ikintu kimwe gusa. 2, double concept model. Double concept model, they have two meanings. Ziba zifite ubusobanuro bubiri, ziba zisobanuye ibintu bibiri. 3, model in past. Tuzikoresheje mu gihe cyahise. They are used to express a situation in the past. Zikoreshwa zisobanura uko ibintu byagenze mu gihe cyahise. Let us look at categories. Now reka turebe inzego rero. Category number 1, single concept models. Ngiye kubabwira models zitanga igisobanuro zisobanura ikintu kimwe gusa. Will, might, should, ought to, had better. Turaza kureba igisobanuro uko zivuga hasi. Category 2, double concept models. Izitanga ibisobanuro bibiri. May, must, would, shall, could, can. muri iyi mbonerahamwe korone ya mbere cyangwa se igice cya mbere cyari kivuga igisobanuro kimwe, tugeze ku cya kabiri kivuga ibisobanuro bibiri, tujye ku cya gatatu kivuga ngo models in past, uko babikoresha mu gihe cyahise. Hamwe bavuga will mu gihe cyahise uvuga ngo would have, hamwe bavuga can cyangwa might, could have, ubwo ni impitagihe, might have, should have, may have, must have. Iyo ushaka kuvuga ibintu bijyanye na models mu gihe cyahise ushyiraho have inyuma yazo. Reka mbereke noneho zimwe zivuga ikintu kimwe, mbereke n'ingero. Single concept model. Muri iyi tableau cyangwa muri iyi table ndabereka korone ya mbere iravuga model, iya kabiri igisobanuro, ya gatatu urugero. Will, concept, igisobanuro. Future, inzagihe. Example, Joe will travel to NY next week. Joe azatemberera New York mu cyumweru gitaha. Might, concept, igisobanuro. Small probability, ni ugukekeranya gakeya. Example, urugero, I might move to Canada someday. Umunsi umwe nshobora kuzimukira muri Canada. Should, concept, igisobanuro. Recommendation, ubujyanama. Example, urugero, you should go to the doctor. Wari ukwiye kujya kureba muganga urwaye wenda. O2, concept, igisobanuro. Formal recommendation, ni ubujyanama buciye mu kiyobozi. Examples, ingero. We ought to know about first aids. Tugomba kumenya ibijyanye n'ubutabazi bw'ibanze. Urumva ibyo ni bitanzwe mu buryo buri official. Formal ni kimwe na official. Iyo abayobozi bagira abantu inama ntago bakoresha ya should, bakoresha ought to. Had better, concept, ikisobanuye. Warning, gutanga umuburo. Examples, ingero. I had better study or I will fail the test. Ibyiza nakwiga, bitaba ibyo nazatsindwa ikizami. Had better nayo ni ubujyanama, ni nk'umuburo. Bibaye byiza ntuvuga ngo bibaye byiza nakwiga, bitaba ibyo nkazatsindwa. Iyo ni had better. Tugiye kumbonera hamwe isobanura double concept model. Model zivuga ibisobanuro bibiri. Iya mbere, model 1, may, gushobora. Concept, igisobanuro. Permission, gusaba uruhushya. Katurebe example uko usaba uruhushya. May I come in? Ese nakwinjira? Usaba uburenganzira uvuga may I. May 2, igisobanuro cya kabiri. Good probability, noneho gukekeranya kwa nyako. Mbere twabonye small probability, aha tugiye kureba icyo bita good probability, gukekeranya kwa nyako. Example, ibi biba ari byo, ubukekeranya ubizi neza ko ari byo. We may visit Mexico next summer. Dushobora kuzasura Mexico muri iyi mpeshyi. Must 1, kugomba, bwa mbere urasobanura concept. Responsibility, inshingano. Example, everyone must pay taxes. Buri wese cyangwa mwese mugomba kwishyura imisoro. Must 2, must ya kabiri. Concept, igitekerezo cyangwa se cyo bisobanura. Must 2, i assumption, ni kwa kundi ubuvuga wenda nukugenekereza, yego. Kugenekereza. Example, she didn't arrive. She must be sick. Ntiyahagera, agombe kuba arwaye. Ubwo nukugenekereza. Ntiyahageze. She didn't arrive. She must be sick. Agombe kuba arwaye. Would, one. Would ya mbere. Concept, igisobanuro. Past, bisobanuye imitagihe. Bivuga ngo used to, cyabaga, ikintu cyabaga ubungubu kitakiba. Example, when I was young, I would play soccer. Ubwo nari muto, nakinaga umupira w'amaguru. Ikintu wakoraga ukiraho would cyangwa used to. Would to ya kabiri. Present unreal, ikintu kitari cyo ubungubu. Mbega ni nk'ikintu kidashoboka kitari cyo muri present. Would ikoreshwa ku bantu bize igifaransa, ni ukuvuga cya kindi dukoreshaho if. Cyangwa se tuvuga ngo iyo mbimenya byari kugenda gutya. Iyo muri past uvuga ikintu kitashobotse cyangwa muri present kidashoboka ukoresha would. Katurebe iyo would yo muri present kuvuga ngo iyo mbameze gutya na gutya ariko ntari we. Example, urugero, I would buy the car. Bisobanuye ngo nagura imodoka ariko se ndayiguze oya. But I can't afford it. Ariko nta mikoro yabyo mfite. Yuvuga ngo nta mikoro mu cyongereza ukoresha can muri negative ukongeraho ijambo afford to. Urugero ngiye kuvuga ko nta mikoro mfite yo kugura computer laptop. I can't afford to buy a laptop. Iyo can't afford murayumvise. Niyo nta mikoro wagize mu gihe cyahise uvuga I couldn't afford. Let us go to double concept model part 2. Dukomeze tureba nanone igisobanuro bibiri dukurikiza izindi nshinga. Number 1, shall, 1. Concept, igitekerezo. Igisobanuro. Educated expression offer. Nukuvuga ni ikintu wigishijwe mu mivugire ushaka kwerekana yuko uzagitanga. Shall, uri kuvuga iki? Uri kuvuga ikintu uhawe n'indero kuzagitanga. Example, excuse me, I shall go now. Shall I clean it? Ushaka nko gusaba ngo baguhereze ikintu ukavuga ngo excuse me, munyihanganire gato. I shall go now. Ndagenda nonaha. Shall I clean it? Nko gusaba ngo ese nkora isuku? Makora isuku? Shall to ya kabiri. Contractual obligation. Ni ibintu biba bitegekwa na kontara cyangwa se amasezerano y'akazi. Example, muri kontara uzasanga bakoresheje shall bavuga ngo the company shall pay on January 1st. Bisobanuye ngo ikigo kigomba kuzishyura guhemba umukozi ku itariki ya mbere z'ukwa mbere. Could ya mbere. Past ability, could number 1. Could ya mbere. Unreal ability ni ibintu bitashobotse, utabashije gukora. Unreal bidashoboka ariko ubungubu ibintu utashobora ubungubu bidashoboka ariko uri kuvuga ngo nukugenekereza. Mvuze ngo I could go if I had time. Nashobora kugenda mbonye umwanya. Ubu mvuze ngo I could go biba bidashoboka. Ni unreal ni ibintu kitari ukuri. Ability ushoboye ariko bitari byo. I could go if I had time bivuze ngo nshobora kugenda mbonye umwanya. Could ya kabiri ivuga ngo past ability ni ukuvuga icyo washoboye noneho mu gihe cyahise. Ushobora kuvuga ngo nashoboraga gukora ibi nibi, uravuga ngo I could. Example, she could play the piano. Yashoboraga gukina piano but she can't anymore. Ariko yatakibishobora ubungubu nibwo uvuga gutyo. She could. Nk'ubungubu nyewe nashoboraga kwirukanka nkiri mutoya. I could run very fast. Ibyo bisobanuye ko ubungubu ntakibibasha. Can nayo ivuga gushobora. Present ability, ibyo ushoboye ubungubu. We can speak English. Twego tubasha kuvuga iki? Icyongereza. Can number 2 ya kabiri. Permission ni kimwe na yandi twabonye kare. May. mwibuke iyo usaba uruhushya cyangwa usaba uburenganzira uravuga uti may I, urugero nshaka gusohoka nsaba uruhushya ngo iki, may I go out. Bana banyeshuri mu mashuri abanza, dear students from secondary and primary student pupils, please, when you wanna go out, remember to ask for permission. Nimushaka gusohoka ntimukibagirwa gusaba uruhushya mukoresheje ngo can I go cyangwa may I go out. Urugero, can I have a candy? Ese mwampa bombo. Mu cyongereza iyo usaba ikintu cyo kurya cyangwa se icyo kunywa uravuga ngo can I have. Nujya muri restaurant umuntu w'umuseriveri umwita actor umugabo, actress umugore, akakubwira ikintu ushaka uzamubwira uti can I have, ushyire ubwoko bw'ikiryo bw'icyo kurya cyangwa se icyo kunywa. Urugero, can I have a cake? Kwa kundi bakuzanira amata ushaka gufatisha cake uzababwira uti can I have a piece of cake? This is the summary of modal verbs. Iyi ni incamake ya modal verbs zose mu mbonerahamwe. Can, gushobora. Can't, kudashobora. This means ability, bivuga ibyo ushoboye. Example, I can play the piano. Shobora gukina piano. Can, permission. Can, ivuga uruhushya cyangwa uburenganzira. Can I go out tonight? Ese nshobora gusohoka nijoro? Number 2, can't in negative. Kuba uhahakana, it means probability or possibility. Kugenekereza cyangwa se kuvuga ko ibintu bishobora kuzabaho. Example, she can't be his mom. Ntago ashobora kuba nyina. She is too young, kuko uyu ni muto cyane. Ability, udashoboye wahakana uti I can't speak German. Sinashobora kuvuga ikidage. Permission, ushaka gusaba uruhushya wavuga ngo can I borrow the car? Nabatira imodoka? No, I can't. Oya, simbishobora. Might. Might nawe ni gushobora ariko gushobora kw'integanyo, guteganya. It might rain tomorrow, iyo ni probability cyangwa possibility. Ejo hashobora kugwa imvura. Mbega nugukekeranya. Nugukekeranya. Might nugukekeranya. It might rain tomorrow, ejo hashobora kugwa imvura kuko utabyizeye. Could nayo ivuga gushobora ariko tujye kwirira nka probability, gukekeranya cyangwa possibility. It could rain tomorrow, nabyo bivuga kimwe na might. Ejo hashobora kugwa imvura. Aho bavuze it might rain tomorrow ni naho ushobora kuvuga ngo it could rain tomorrow. Ariko tuvuga ikintu washoboraga, ability yo mu gihe cyahise, uravuga ngo I could already read when I was 2. Nari mfite ubushobozi bwo kuba nabasha gusoma igihe nari mfite imyaka 2. Iyo could ivuga ngo nashoboraga. Permission, ushobora no gusaba uruhushya rwo gukora ikintu ukoresheje could. Urugero, example, could I see your passport please, sir? Nyakubahwa, nshobora kureba passport yawe nyabuna? Iyo yari permission. Na could iremewe nuko twabonye can I na could I biremewe. Kandi could birimo ikinyabupfura kuruta can I. May nayo nugushobora ariko yo gukekeranya. Aribyo bita probability cyangwa possibility, cyangwa ngo birashoboka ko uyu munsi wabwirirwa ejo ukarya. Nyine abari may ni ugukekeranya. It may rain tomorrow, birashoboka ko imvura yagwa cyangwa imvura ishobora kuzagwa ejo. No ikura no gukoreshwa muri permission, usaba uburenganzira cyangwa uruhushya. May I leave the table? Mwampa uburenganzira nkava ku meza? May I leave nugusaba uruhushya rwo kugenda. Must, kugomba, nayo ishobora gukoreshwa nka probability cyangwa se possibility. Imwe nigeze kubabwira kare ivuga ngo assumption. Urugero, example, she must be her sister because they look alike. Agombe kuba ari mushiki we kuko barasa. ijambo barasa mu cyongereza ni they look alike. Agombe kuba ni she must be. Tushobora no kuyibona mu cyo bita obligation or advice. Utegeka cyangwa se ugira inama umuntu ushobora gukoresha must. Ubwo yafashe akamaro nka should. You must leave before the clock strikes 12. Ugomba kuva hano mbere yuko isaha igera mu kadomo. Iba saa sita igera mu kadomo. Strike ubundi ni urushinge ruriya rw'isaha, ruriya ruba ruri gukubita. Tugeze kuri have to turayireba nk'itegeko hano ariyo bita obligation cyangwa advice. Ubwo rero umuntu avuze ngo I have to study tonight, abavuze ngo ngomba kwiga, biba ari itegeko, nijoro ngomba kwiga. Tugiye kureba shall twayibonye muri za contract, twayibonye no muri future. Ariko ibisobanuye iki? Isobanuye ibintu bibiri. Icya mbere ni obligation cyangwa advice, itegeko cyangwa se ubujyanama. Ubwo rero mvuze ngo you shall pay on Tuesday, biba bisobanuye ngo ugomba kuzishyura kuwa kabiri. Ariko ngewe iyo nshaka kugukorera ikintu ndavuga ngo shall I. Nk'urugero nshaka kugufasha ni kimwe no kuvuga ngo can I. Ndavuga ngo shall I help you? Mbasaba kugira ngo nguhe ikintu. Should or ought to. Tugiye kureba should igendana na ought to mu busobanuro bimwe. Turebe nka obligation or advice, itegeko cyangwa se ubujyanama. Yubwiye umuntu ngo you should see it, biba bisobanuye ngo wari ukwiye kuyireba, wari ukwiye kuyibona. It's excellent, ni nziza cyane bihambaye. Aho nasize should ushobora no kwashyira ought to. Mwibuke ko nababwiye ko should ought ibisobanuye ubujyanama mu buryo bwa kiyobozi, official cyangwa se formal. Tukomeze kuri had better nayo ni ubujyanama ariko mu buryo ari aho ikora by'itegeko, byo bita obligation cyangwa advice. Iyo ubwiye umuntu ngo you had better sleep more, umugira inama yuko yarakwiye gusinzira bihagije, kongera agasinzira. Iyo had better ni ubujyanama, ni kimwe na you should. Noneho iyo tugeze kuyo bita would rimwe twigeze kwiga tuvuga ko iyo uyikoresha uvuga ikintu wakoraga utakigikora, ni kimwe na used to. Iyo uvuze ngo nkiri umwana nabashaga kwirukanka cyane, uravuga ngo when I was young I could run very fast, cyangwa se ni nko kuvuga ngo I would run cyangwa I used to run. Urugero iyo tuvuga rero dushaka gutanga ikintu nanone, would ijyana n'ijambo like. Uravuga ngo would you like, ushaka guha umuntu ikintu. Nk'urugero wansuye nshaka kuguha icyo kunywa, ndakubwira ngo would you like a drink. Ese urashaka icyo kunywa mbazimanire? Niyo ngiyo would ijyanye na like. Ariko ubundi would ibivuga ikintu cyabagaho. Noneho rero tugiye mu mitagihe. Models in the past. They are models referred to actions that happened in the past. Izi models cyangwa izi nshinga zibandwaho ziba ziganisha ku bikorwa byabaye mu gihe cyahise. Model plus have plus verb in past participle. Ufata model ukongeraho have ukongera icyo bita past participle, na akantu kameze nka past ariko y'igice. Example, urugero, it must have been a difficult decision. Bisobanuye ngo iki cyemezo kigomba kuba cyagoranye. Ubwo kigomba kuba cyaragoranye, yego. Hano twavuga ngo agomba kuba ameze gutya na gutya, vuga ngo agomba kuba yari ameze gutya na gutya. It must have been, urabona ko been in past participle. It must have been a difficult decision. Icyo cyemezo kigomba kuba cyaragoranye. Indi yindi ni should, tugiye kwikoresha hamwe na have. They should have invited her to their wedding. Bisobanuye ngo bakwiriye kuba bari bakwiye kuba baramutumiye. Uri kubabwira ko batabikoze ariko bikaba bitarabaye byiza. Uravuga ngo they should have invited her to their wedding. Bari bakwiye kuba baramutumiye mu bukwe bwabo. ubwo uri kuvuga nyine ko bakoze ikosa. Noneho mu ncamake summary tugiye kureba icyo bita modal perfect, then uses and examples. Tugiye kuyakoresha nka perfect uko ikoreshwa n'ingero. Urugero number 1, must have plus past participle. Iyo dufashe must na have tukongeraho past participle ikoreshwa gute? Uses: logical conclusion on a past event. Nukuvuga wanzura mu buryo buri logique buvuye mu bwenge bwawe ku kintu cyabaye. Peter has arrived late. Peter yahageze akerewe. He must have been in a traffic jam. Agombe kuba yahoze muri ambutiyage. May, might, have. May na might bikurikiranye na have plus past participle ikoreshwa ryari? Uses: deduction on a past event. Ningi gucekeranya mu gihe cyahise. Joe may have taken the wrong train. Joe ashobora kuba yateze gari ya moshi itariyo. Ushobora no gusimbuza may ukavuga might. Joe might have taken the wrong train. Joe agomba kuba nako ashobora kuba bavuga ngo may have. Ukongeraho past participle. Tugiye ku yindi yitwa could have plus past participle. Could have tuyikoresha use possibility to do something gone unfulfilled. Nukuvuga kuba yarashoboye gukora ikintu ariko kikaba kitaragezweho. Examples: you could have played better. Wari ubishoboye kuba wakinnye neza. Couldn't have plus past participle impakanyi noneho. Uses uko babikoresha: certainty that something couldn't have happened. Ukuri kuko ikintu kitabashije kuba. Examples, ingero: he couldn't have passed because you hadn't studied enough. Ntiyashoboye gutsinda kubera yuko ntiwashoboye gutsinda. He couldn't have passed. Ntabwo yashoboraga gutsinda kuba yatsinze because you hadn't studied enough. Kubera ko utari warize bihagije. Would have plus past participle bisobanuye uses: desire to do something, inyota yo gukora ikintu, but impossibility to do it for external causes. Ariko ntubu bishobore kubikora bitewe n'impamvu runaka. Examples: I would have visited you but I forgot your address. Nari kuba nagusuye ariko nibagiwe aho ubarizwa. Should, ought to, have. Should wongeyeho have cyangwa ought to wongeyeho have plus past participle tubikoresha ryari? Lament on something that should have been done. Ni nko kuganya. Ni nko kwiheba. Ni ukuganya ku kintu kitakozwe. Ni nko kwiramanta. Kwa kintu cyo kwiramanta. Examples: you should have warned me earlier. Wari ukwiye kuba wampaye umuburo kare. Cyangwa ku bya kiyobozi: you ought to have warned me earlier. Wari ukwiye kuba wampaye umuburo wamburiye kare. Negative: shouldn't have plus past participle bisobanuye critique on something, kunenga ikintu that shouldn't have happened, ko kitagakwiye kuba cyakozwe. Example: he shouldn't have told them. Ntiyagombaga kubibabwira. Ubwo nyine uri kubwira umuntu yababwiye ibintu ari amabanga ukavuga uti he shouldn't have told them. Tugeze kwitwa needn't. Mwari muzi need yo kwifuza, ariko hari na needn't ya modo ifite ikindi gisobanuro. Yufashe need ukongeraho n''t usoma needn't. Needn't have. Needn't have plus past participle bisobanuye something that wasn't necessary doing, ibitari ngombwa kugikora. Thanks for watching. Mwakoze kudukurikira. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Ntibagirwe gukanda subscribe hara hasi. If this is your first time you visited our channel, niba ari ubwa mbere usuye channel yacu, our lesson about models is gone. Turangije tupfundikiye isomo ryacu rijyanye na models yitwaraga nk'ama auxiliary. See you next time.